Hello everyone. In the last video we have seen low level language or machine level language. The drawback of low level language is we cannot easily understand the machine instructions. To overcome the drawback of the low level language, computer engineers developed a new programming language which is called assembly level language. It uses the symbolic instructions rather than machine instructions, that is 0 and 1, because machine language can perform only 0 and 1. In assembly level language, we are using some symbolic instructions. It contains some human readable commands. Since the instructions are written in English words, so it is easy to read, write and understand. Means whatever the instructions we are writing in this language, it contains some English words, so that easily we can read, write and understand. So for example, add means addition, sub means subtraction, sta means store and accumulator, jmp jump to the next statement, jump to the next line. So by seeing these words, that is add, sub, sta, jump, easily we can read those instructions, easily we can understand. So here you can see one example, that is add x comma y. So here add the contents of y to x. Add x comma y means add the contents of y to x. sta z, store the result into the location z. So these type of instructions we can easily understand, right? But the problem is what? Computer does not understand this language, that is assembly level language, because we are using English words. Computer can understand only machine instructions, that is 0 and 1. So now we need to translate the assembly level language into machine level language. So for that we are using assembler. So assembler is a one type of a translator. So assembler is the process of converting the assembly level language into machine level language. So for that we are using source program and a object program. So source program is written in a assembly language and a object program is written in a machine language. Now we need a assembler to convert assembly level language into machine level or machine level language into assembly language. So source program, it is a text file that contains instructions written in high level language. You might have seen Notepad, WordPad or a Microsoft Word. Whatever the file you create, okay, whatever the content you write in that particular file, so that file you can easily read, write and understand. So that text file is nothing but a source program. And object program means it is a output file or it is a output generated after compiling the source program. When you compile a particular program, one file or one program is generated, that program is called a source program. Here source program can be written in assembly level language which is understood by the user or the human beings, whereas object program is written in machine level language which is understood only by the computer. Okay, so this is about the assembly level language. Now we will see what are the advantages and disadvantages of assembly level language. The first advantage is it is easy to understand operation codes because they are mnemonics. Means here we are using some symbolic instructions so that we can easily understand the codes or understand the instructions. The second one is easy to write, modify and debug. We can easily write the instruction, we can easily modify, we can easily debug, means we can easily correct the codes. And third advantage is need not remember address of operands and instruction location. So here need not to remember the address of the operands and instruction location, as we are writing the instruction in a English word, so that we can easily read, write and understand. Whereas the disadvantages are, the mnemonics are machine dependent. As I have told, machine dependent means whatever the code you write in one machine, they cannot be executed on the other machine. So here in assembly level language, whatever the instructions we are using, whatever the symbols we are using, those symbols are different from one computer to another. So the mnemonics are, the instructions are machine dependent, and it is very less efficient than the machine level language. So these are the advantages and disadvantages. So I hope you are understanding the concept of programming languages. If you are not understanding, so message me, we will discuss. So try to understand the concept of the programming language. Thank you.